All right, so you've been making some cutting boards, but you want to step it up a little bit. A really cool thing you can do is put a juice groove in your cutting board. But it's a really easy thing to do, but it's also a really easy thing to mess up. So I made this adjustable juice groove jig, and I thought I would show it to y'all. So I just tested it out for the first time on this piece of MDF. Came out really cool. And the way it works is 3 out of the 4 sides are adjustable and ride on T-track. So, as you see, here's that one size. Very evenly spaced juice groove, what came out really well. But that was just a piece of MDF. Here is an actual cutting board. So the way this works is this fence on this side does not move, it stays stationary. So you start by referencing that one. Then you have this fence that moves back and forth, which is the one that we will line up evenly. And just getting it nice and flush, getting it all squared in there. You can lock it back down. And you bring this side over. And it moves that way and this way. So you can bring it up in there. And then you get it nice and flush, lock it down. And then you can bring the back end over. And then the idea is that your router will ride along that fence, cutting a juice groove evenly throughout the whole thing. All right, and just like that, perfectly spaced juice groove. And it really doesn't matter with this particular adjustable jig. It really doesn't matter what size your cutting board is. Full disclosure though, I did not come up with this idea, hence the reason I'm just showing it to you and not showing you how I built it, because it was something I saw from somebody else. So there will be a link to that YouTube channel's build video of this, and they also have plans you can buy if you're so inclined. So I just wanted to show y'all it because I thought it was really awesome. But again, I will put a link to the video where you can watch how it's made by the gentleman that actually designed it. So that's all I wanted to show y'all today. Thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe if you're so inclined. Until next time, everybody be safe. Bye.